days he learned to walk okay. Linen wind between his palms, quiet hours dosing calm. Wooden path along his knees, walking slow at his own ease. Once he searched for open doors, silent storms on gentle shores. And now he waits before he wakes, beneath the gentle ache. When he dims, he finds the flame. Each soft bruise becomes his name. It's less about the perfect place, it's rising through with grace. Soul beats drawn so near, glow deep within the soul. Gently through the darkness he will find another road. Soul beats drawn so near, weave quiet through the side. One more breath, one more fly. This love will shine. Oh, 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 oh. Shadows fade and drift away, held so gently deep inside. All the marks are drawn in lace, settling, filling space. Walk along the curve with him. He won't let it steer, he won't ask for certainty, just the current running free. Warmth feels realer as he blooms, silence left to soothe. He drifts like afternoon. Soul beats drawn so near, glow deep within the soul. Gently through the darkness he will find another road. Soul beats drawn so near, weave quiet through the side. One more breath, one more fly. This love will shine. Draw near, draw near, draw near. Soft, warm, quiet breath, gazing out, soul not seeking perfect rest. Dust veils its wall and fades into the dark, seeks a hollow song and softly leaves a mark. It never claimed it'd have it all in spark. It learned to walk okay. Starry wind between its palms, quiet hours staying calm. Silent path along its knees, walking slow at its own ease. Once it searched for open doors, silent storms on gentle shores. And now it waits before it wakes, beneath the gentle ache. When it dims, it finds the flame. Each dark bruise becomes its name. It's less about the perfect place, it's rising through with grace. Dust strings drawn so near, glow deep within the soul. Gently through the darkness it will find another road. Dust strings drawn so near, weave quiet through the side. One more breath, one more fly. This love will shine. Oh, 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 Shadows fade and drift away, held so gently deep inside. All the marks are drawn in lace, settling, filling space. Walk along the curve with it, it won't let it steer. It won't ask for certainty, just the current running free. Warm feels realer as it blooms, silence left to soothe. It drifts like afternoon. The strings drawn so near, glow deep within the soul. Gently through the darkness it will find another road. The strings drawn so near, we the side. One more breath, one more fly, this love will shine. Draw near, soft warmth, quiet breath, gazing out, so not seeking perfect rest. Roll along and nothing felt urgent. No patch active in my brain. The glow outside is going pale now. I don't owe this day what's here. Didn't replay what I missed, yeah. Didn't tally what went wrong, hey. For once I'm not reviewing everything to see if I held on, yeah. Feet are free, pressure dropped. Humming sounds like it should. I'm not building toward a better evening. This one's already good, yeah. No highlight reel to red cat. No voice saying do more first. I'm sitting in a rare space where enough doesn't hurt. Used to mistake rest for giving up and tried to fill the stillness quick. Now I let it settle in and see how long it sticks. Nothing pulling at the edges, not behind, not off track. I don't need to earn this quiet, yeah. It's already stacked, yeah. The pedal hasn't asked for proof yet, so I'm not handing any. I'll respond when something speaks up. Till then I'm steady, yeah. This is the emptiness, this is lemon, and I'm learning not to rush it. Nowhere to be now, the state I'm in. I'll end the day like this. No edits, no spin. Used to skin the hours like something slipped through, but the pedal came in easy and I let it be true. No words to rearrange, no version to improve, just to clean enough stillness to actually move. If something surfaces later, I'll meet it then. I don't borrow worry from the what ifs again. Resting smooth doesn't mean I won't adjust. It just means I'm not ending the day from distrust. Cause the strength in not reaching for what's already still. Yeah, letting the pedal stay gentle, let an inch fill. I've wound down from anxiety, caught it, yeah. This one starts from acceptance, and I'm already there. I don't need a signal to feel them. I just need to not undo what's already won. The clock slows, I slow within, no resistance, no drag. I'm not ahead, not behind, just exactly where I'm at. That's fair enough to respect, so I'm leaving it alone and bend the day from okay instead of overhaul mode. Come on, nowhere to be now. I take that, it's starting right here, exactly as is. Start still lighter without the weight of convincing myself I'm done. Turns out done doesn't announce, it just comes quiet when it comes. I don't overthink the stillness, I let it choose me. The night gets lighter, let it out, move smoothly, yeah. I'm not guarding this feeling, I'm not holding tight. I just let it be the ground I step off to sleep, yeah. That's in that foundation for whatever comes through. She drapes her wall and fades into the hush, tells a hollow song and softly avoids the rush. She never claimed she'd have it all in plush. She learned to walk okay. Hushed up wind between her palms, quiet hours sharing calm. Stone path along her knees, walking slow at her own ease. Once she searched for open doors, silent storms on gentle shores. And now she waits before she wakes, beneath the gentle ache. When she dims, she finds the flame. Each dark bruise becomes her name. It's less about the perfect place, It's rising through with grace. Skit strings drawn so